In Florida, you don't need an attorney to buy or sell a home. Closings here can happen without one. But skipping legal guidance could be the most expensive mistake you make. From hidden contract traps to title problems that surface months later, one overlooked detail can cost you tens of thousands. So today, I'm breaking down exactly when and why hiring a real estate attorney is the smart move, whether you're buying or selling. Think of a real estate attorney as your legal safety net. They don't replace your agent. Yes, we handle things such as negotiations, pricing strategy, and marketing. And while we fill out the pricing and term blanks on approved contracts per your direction, we don't interpret or modify them. Hence, any specific questions related to these standard agreements should be addressed to a licensed attorney. That goes for any specific language or additional terms you'd like to include. Attorneys serve to protect your legal interests by drafting contracts, reviewing settlement statements, spotting red flags, clearing title issues, safeguarding your money, and making sure you're not signing something that comes back to bite you later. For buyers, that means making sure your purchase agreement, contingencies, financing, and title are bulletproof. For sellers, it means reviewing the sales contract, navigating disclosures, resolving liens, or addressing boundary disputes before they kill the deal. Often it's something you or your agent wouldn't know to think about, even the seasoned ones. Since attorneys are optional in Florida, most transactions are handled by title companies, some with real estate attorneys, but note these attorneys represent the title company's interests to facilitate the closing process by handling things such as title searches, closing documents, and issuing title insurance as a neutral party. To protect your interests, you would need to hire your own attorney for added peace of mind and legal protection, regardless of how simple you think the transaction may be. Some of the more complex ones include those with seller financing, bank-owned properties, or those with renovation loans or unpaid assessments. Other legal landmines include probate, estate sales, trust, or shared ownership. Finding an attorney isn't complicated. Start with referrals from yours truly or your favorite agent or lender, or check the Florida Bar for experienced attorneys who specialize in residential real estate. Look for someone who understands local laws and has handled situations like yours before. At the end of the day, buying or selling in Florida is exciting, but the legal side isn't something to gamble on. A real estate attorney can turn a potential nightmare into a smooth, stress-free closing. Have you ever worked with one? Was it worth it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more South Florida real estate insights.